रोशन, what about सूरज? क्या हुआ उसका?
1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat.
Can you hear?
Yes, miss.
हाँ.
Yes.
There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. One day, Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the streets, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich.
Who's doing this? ये हमारा ही क्लास है आज. Roshan, stop this annotating. Now see this small video we saw here. What is the name of the poor boy?
Whittington.
Dick Whittington. Yes. Where he was living?
Small village.
South of England.
South of England. Okay. Acha, was he rich? What do you think?
Poor.
He was poor. He did not have any home. है ना? Why he was very poor? What do you think? See the line.
उसके मम्मी पापा मर गए थे.
Because he has no mother and father.
Yes, he was not having his both parents, है ना? So
Yes.
and he was unkindly treated by villagers. मतलब उसके पास पैसा नहीं था. That's why he was unkindly treated by the villagers. One day he overheard. What is another meaning of overheard? Overheard मतलब क्या?
किसी से सुनना.
किसी और से सुनाई दिया. Overheard. Someone say that streets of London were paved with gold. Last time also we discussed. Paved with gold is. Paved with gold क्या होता है? Come on, you. Chapter I think पूरा लेक्चर किसने भी कराया है?
मिस वो
covered. अभी पेंसिल लिख के ले. पेंसिल से write down. Covered. Paved means covered. He overheard someone say that streets of London were covered with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up. Pick his fortune. His fortune, tell me.
मिस
Fortune का मतलब? Pick his fortune.
Can you hear?
Fortune means luck. Huh? Luck, yes. Pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the. क्या सोच रहा है कि पूरा गोल्ड होगा तो आई विल पिक अप द गोल्ड पीसेस फ्रॉम द स्ट्रीट. कहाँ से होता है? Streets. Very good. For he thought people might him treat more kindly. मुझे फिर कैसा?
सब अच्छे.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही अच्छे से.
एक मिनट शिवेश.
आ तो रही है.
लोग उसको कैसे ट्रीट करेंगे?
हाँ.
हाँ? Kindly they will treat because he will become rich. Okay?
Rich.
Yes.
This para is clear. Now we'll go to another para.
Yes.
So young Dick set out to walk to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. "I have no home," Dick answered. "I'm on my way to London to find my fortune." "I'm going to London myself," said the carter. "Jump up here beside me and we will journey together." They arrived in London just before nightfall, and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. Poor
नहीं 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 नहीं, वहां पे नहीं. हाँ. Admit. Okay. Now here in this paragraph, what we learned? Young Dick wanted to go to London. उसके पास पैसा नहीं है ना? Hello.
Yes.
हाँ. तो
Yes, miss.
whom he met? Whom did he met? He meet
Rich
with
man.
he met with the carter, है ना?
Cart. Yes.
Cart stopped. Cart है ना, ये गाड़ी वाला देखो जा रहा है. And that
हाँ,
carter, he stopped him. He said कि whether you are running away from home, तुम घर से भाग के जा रहे हो क्या? So he is saying I have no home. I am on my way to London. Where he is going?
London.
London.
To find my fortune. मेरा लक ढूंढने के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going to London myself. Now said the carter, okay, jump up here beside me. चलो jump करके beside me, मेरे बाजू में बैठ जाओ. And we will journey together. देखो, we both will go together. So they arrived in London, and the carter left the Dick and made his way to inn. Carter is going now, and he has left Dick there. Okay.
Yes.
Now next para, see.
Around him in dismay. Dismay means just jump up here beside me and we will journey together. They arrived in London just before nightfall, and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. Dismay means great disappointment. Where was all that fine gold? All he could see were dirty streets and lots of unfriendly people. He had nowhere to sleep, and in the end, he spent the night in the corner of an alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. Alley means a narrow passage between or behind buildings.
How are the roads? हेलो.
Yes.
Yes.
नहीं दे रहा है ना अभी. सुनो, वो रोड्स कैसे थे? When he reached there, how were the roads?
Dirty.
Dirty. When he reached there, hello.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
अच्छा.
Yes, miss.
Why he was disappointed?
मिस किसी की आवाज गूंज रही है.
हेलो.
यस मिस बोला.
तो क्यों डिसमे में था? डिसअपॉइंटेड क्यों था? और पीछे. हाँ.
Friendly.
हेलो. जब भी डिक विटिंगटन पहुंचा उधर, why he was in dismay?
क्योंकि
आपकी
वहाँ
आवाज
की सड़क
गंदी थी मिस.
Yes, roads कैसे थे? Streets were dirty. और गोल्ड कुछ भी नहीं था ना. He had nowhere to sleep. See, उसको कहीं सोने के लिए भी नहीं था. And he spent the night in the corner of alley. What is alley?
मिस किसी स्ट्रीट के कोने में मिस साइड में सो गया था.
Very good, very good. A narrow passage में जाकर वो सो गया. Where he hoped he would come to no harm. मतलब उसको
हाँ, उसको कुछ हार्म ना हो.
पैसेज दिख रहा है ये बिल्डिंग के बीच में.
यस.
हाँ, तो वहां पर जाकर ही स्लीपिंग, देखो उधर फोटो में दिखाया गया है.
यस मिस.
ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट पैरा.
The next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. He wandered around begging for food, but again and again, people shouted at him, "Go away, you lazy fellow! Be off with you!" and aimed angry blows at his head. At last, he collapsed in the street and lay there, too weak to look further for food. By chance, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. The cook was trying to drive.
Now see what happened in this para.
मिस
Hello?
वो सुबह उठ के गया था भीख मांगने, उसे वो इंसान ढकेल दिया।
थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश में ट्राई करो प्लीज। Dick woke up.
Dick woke up,
हाँ।
cold, miserable, and very hungry. He wandered.
Yes, he was very hungry, है ना? And he
around begging.
Yes,
for
very
food.
good. Yes, yes. खाना चाहिए था उसको. He went for begging food.
उसको again and again people shouted at him.
Yes, go away. What they were saying?
Go away, you lazy fellow.
यहाँ से चले जाओ. Okay, then what happened? Anyone else can also attempt. Come on, say. बोलो शिवेश, बोलो, right है.
हाँ. वो जो था मिस वो गुस्सा हो गया.
Be off with you and aimed angry blows at his head. उसने जोर से उसको मारा.
अब उसके सर पे मारा.
Yes, at last he collapsed. Collapse means ऐसे गिर जाना.
गिर गया.
In the street and lay there too weak. What is the meaning of this?
2 हफ्ते.
Riya? नहीं. Riya, T-O-O-2. What is the meaning of this?
अच्छा 2.
बहुत कमजोर.
बहुत.
Very good. बहुत कमजोर और बहुत ज्यादा उसको फूड चाहिए था. So by chance Dick had fallen in front of house. देखो, when he has fallen down, he has fallen in front of a house. Radhika, Suman, what happened?
To a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. The cook.
See, he has fallen in front of his house. एक rich merchant रहता है यहाँ पर, Fitzwarren. Okay, ये उनका cook है.
To a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. The cook was trying to drive Dick away when Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his ships. He stopped and said to Dick, "Why don't you work if you need food?" "I would work," said Dick, "but I know nobody who will give me anything to do."
Okay.
"Take him into the kitchen," Mr. Fitzwarren ordered the cook. "Feed him first and then find some work for him." So Dick was...
Now you can see here, Suman, what happened in this paragraph?
मिस वो निकल गई है.
क्यों निकल रही है?
मिस मैं बताऊं?
है राधिका, सुमन है. सुमन.
मिस मेरे में नहीं दिखा रहा है. अच्छा हाँ, अनम्यूट किए मिस. हाँ. मतलब म्यूट किए.
सुमन से हेलो. हाँ. Hello, what happened in this paragraph? कुक ने क्या किया डिक को? The cook is?
मिस उसको कुछ काम करने को बोला.
Driving away means बाहर निकाल रहा है कुक. हाँ.
अच्छा हाँ. तो उसका
Fitzwarren returned home. अच्छा रिया, who came there? Third person you can see in the pic. कौन आ गया वहाँ पर? Hello रिया, can you hear me?
Merchant. Mr. Fitzwarren.
Yes, Shivesh. Where is Riya?
Miss Riya. Miss unmute की अपना mic miss. है.
बोलो. Unmute कैसे मिलता?
मिस इन लोग कहीं चले जा रहे बार-बार.
Riya, hello. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Give me answer. अभी यहाँ पर you can see the three of them are standing. एक कुक है और एक डिक है. तो थर्ड पर्सन कौन है?
Mr. Fitzwarren.
हाँ,
Mr. Fitzwarren.
Riya, pay attention. You're not paying attention. So why he's telling now? Why don't you work for food? If you need food, you
तुम
should
कुछ
work.
काम क्यों नहीं कर लेते? Yes, miss.
Yes. I know nobody will give me anything to do. That Dick is saying कि मुझे कौन काम देगा, है ना? So that's
Yes,
why now Fitzgerald is saying take him to the kitchen and feed him first. सबसे पहले क्या दो उसको?
Feed him
क्या
first.
देने को? Feed him first means what should be he given?
some work.
खाना.
पहले खाना and then some work.
अच्छा,
Why
हाँ,
only
खाना.
Shivesh is replying? Where are others?
वो मैं ही तो बोला. हाँ मैं ही तो बोल रहा था.
ओके रिया किधर चली गई? चलो next page.
Order the cook, feed him first, and then find some work for him. So Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Attic is a very small room inside a pointed roof. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. The first,
Okay,
but
now in this paragraph we saw Dick was given a home. Okay, a room he was given. और वो room का नाम क्या है? What is the room called? Hello,
Attic.
सुमन बोलो. हाँ, हाँ रोशन, very good. What is the room called?
Attic.
Attic means a small room with which is having
Inside a point roof.
yes,
कोने के
pointed
अंदर में.
roof. हम लोग का हमारे घर में ऊपर जो रूफ लगा है फ्लैट है ना. Attic means a pointed roof. ऊपर pointed बना रहता है. हाँ.
Yes.
Now he was given a job of a cook and he was helping cook in the with the pots and pan. Cook को क्या जरूरत है वो सब arrange करके देने का. So how was Dick's life now? Dick's life was
much better.
Much better.
better. Very good. पहले से बहुत अच्छा हो गया. Then also he had two difficulties now.
Much better.
If you read the Attic meaning, it is given down.
A very small room inside a pointed roof.
Yes, very good. Chalo, we'll proceed to another.
he still had two difficulties to face. The first was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. At night, they scampered all over him and kept him awake. Scampered means ran here and there. After a time, he solved this problem by saving a few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice, and Dick was able to sleep peacefully.
Okay. Now in this paragraph, first problem is given. What was the first problem, Roshan?
मिस वो सोया रहता था उसके आगे पीछे चूहे दौड़ते रहते थे.
Yes, the mice were scampering. थोड़ा सा ट्राई करने का इंग्लिश में बोलने को, because when मैडम will come ना, हाँ, मैडम आएगी तो आपको इंग्लिश में ही आंसर करना पड़ेगा.
Yes,
okay. So how he solved the problem? Come on, Suman, now you say.
He buy a cat.
Buy a cat.
Very good. He bought a cat. He bought a cat.
Cat.
Buy देखो buy present tense है ना, तो उसने खरीदा था. Past tense के लिए he bought a cat. कैसे buy किया? Because he saved some penny. थोड़ा थोड़ा उसका payment बचा कर. Okay, next paragraph. Scampered means running here and there. Okay.
Ran here and there.
Yes, not so was able to sleep peacefully. The other difficulty, which was not so easy to overcome, was the cook's bad temper. Overcome means succeed in dealing with a problem. She shouted and screamed all day and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon, even when he was working as hard as he could. One night, Dick decided he could stand it no more. Early the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. The two of them walked as far as Holloway.
Hello.
Yes, miss.
रिया, come on. Remember what was the difficulty? अभी तक आपको सुना ही नहीं दे रहा था?
नहीं.
No, miss.
हाँ? Sorry. What was the difficulty? Tell
No,
me.
miss.
Second difficulty. बोलो.
Miss, वो क्या?
वो जो उसकी कुक थी वो उससे बुरे
उसकी
व्यवहार करती थी.
बिल्ली दूध पी लेती थी.
He was देखो cook's bad temper. Bad temper
Cook's bad
means
temper.
bad temper means उसका स्वभाव, उसका गंदा स्वभाव था.
हाँ.
What? She shouted and screamed all day. Full day what she was doing? हाँ, उसको गंदा ट्रीट करती थी. She was shouting
और
and
उसको
screaming
मारती
full
थी.
day. Screaming
उसको
means
चिल्लाती
चिल्लाना.
थी और मारती भी थी.
Yes. So and scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon. किससे मारती थी?
Wooden spoon से.
वुडन
लकड़ी की
When he
चिम्मच
was
से.
working. See, when we are working, what we want
लकड़ी
from
की
others?
चिम्मच से मारती थी.
Yes.
उसने
When
काम
we are
किया.
working, सुनो ना. When we are working, what we expect from other person? अभी तुम लोग बहुत अच्छा मुझे होमवर्क भेजते हो. What you are expecting from me? मैंने क्या डालना चाहिए WhatsApp पे?
गुड.
Miss.
Good, है ना? Good देख के अच्छा लगता है ना? Same way, Dick was expecting कि कुछ तो मुझे अच्छा भी बोलना चाहिए, but no, she was always scolding him. So one night, what Dick is deciding that complete. Hello. एक ना
Yes,
एक
miss.
रखो. Dick is deciding that I will what? He wanted to stay there only.
नो.
He set out
So,
with his cat to seek.
yes, he took his cat and he went away from there. Okay. Now
Yes.
overcome means succeed in dealing with the proof. Hey, who is making this noise? रोशन, सूरज कहाँ है आज?
उसको बुखार है.
अरे बाप रे. टेक केयर ना. बच्चे लोग बहुत संभालने का. Okay. See the next now.
Fortune elsewhere. The two of them walked as far as Holloway on their way out of London when Dick sat down on a stone to rest. It was the 1st of November, All Saints' Day, and the church bells were ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed they were ringing out a message for him. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London.
Okay, now in this picture, where he came in front of, क्या दिख रहा है आपको? In front of
Stone.
चर्च.
Church.
yes, very good. Now he is taking rest there, and here
On
1st of
stone.
November, bells are ringing, और वहाँ पे गाना बज रहा है. The music is played. Turn again, Whittington.
Done.
Again, Whittington.
Whittington.
Thou
Thou worthy citizen. Lord Mayor of London.
London.
Next para.
Lord Mayor of London, said Dick, I should like to be Lord Mayor and ride in a fine coach. I can put up with a few scoldings from the cook if that is what is in store for me. Put up with means tolerate. So Dick and his cat retraced their steps to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Luckily, they were able to slip back before they had been missed. Now, Mr. Fitzwarren used to send ships far across the sea to trade with other countries. He would load a ship with goods for the captain and the ship's crew to
Now see what happened. Now Dick is deciding कि I should like to the Lord. Lord Mayor कैसा है? मुझे भी उसकी तरह रहना है. मुझे थोड़ा सा उसको scolding भूल जाने का है ना? I should forget the scolding of the cook. And again he is deciding that I will go again to his house. इधर किसके house में? Where is
Mr.
going?
Fitzwarren.
Again I'll go. Okay. और जैसे ही वो उनके जानने के पहले ही is again reaching there. यानी किसी को मालूम नहीं पड़ा कि घर से चला गया. चलो. अब Mr. Fitzwarren ये शिप का फोटो दिख रहा है. What
Yes.
Mr. Fitzwarren was doing? Riya, give me an answer. Mr. Fitzwarren used to send ships far
across the sea of trade with other countries.
Trade with other
Means
countries.
business.
Business के लिए भेजते थे.
Business दूसरे country से.
He would load a ship with goods for the captain and the ship's crew to sell in faraway places, and then they would bring back goods that could be sold at home. One day, he called his household together. "I am sending a ship to the African coast to trade," he said. "Would any of you like to send something of yours on it? You can then share in the profits if the voyage is successful." Everyone.
Now see, Mr. Fitzwarren ने एक चांस दिया उनको कि I am sending my ship. किसी को कुछ भेजना है अफ्रीका तो they can also send. जो प्रॉफिट होगा वो ले लेना, है ना?
Yes, miss.
Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
You can then share in the profits if the voyage is successful. Everyone produced something except for Dick, who had nothing to offer. "Have you nothing of your own, Dick?" asked Mr. Fitzwarren kindly, and Dick replied, "Only my cat."
Okay, what Dick is sending in ship? Dick ने कुछ भी नहीं दिया तो what now he is sending?
सिर्फ मेरी cat. Only my cat.
Yes, I am only my cat. मैं बस कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. Very good.
"Then let your cat go on the ship," said Mr. Fitzwarren. His daughter Alice said, "Dick loves his cat. Let me put something in for him." But her father said, "No, it must be his, not something belonging to someone else." So Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. The captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser, and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on his voyage. Mouser means an animal that catches mice.
They are very happy. A cat is going so. Okay, Cap, you don't know the time. Hello.
Yes, miss.
आप लोगों को फिर से ज्वाइन होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ना ये कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. जस्ट एक वीडियो कंप्लीट होने के बाद तुम लोग छोड़ सकते हो. तो एक बार फिर से ज्वाइन होना.
Okay, miss.
Yes, miss.
हाँ. Cap, you don't know the time, Cap.
Miss.
Cap, you don't know the time. Cap, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
चलो आगे देखो. अभी आज फिर से ज्वाइन होना. लेकिन let your cat. हाँ, कैट किधर है? What Dick is doing? मैंने only cat दिया क्योंकि उसके पास और कुछ नहीं था. But how was Dick feeling now? He was happy or sad?
Sad.
उसको कैट
Sad.
दुख हो रहा था.
लेकिन उसके जो शिप के ऊपर है सब लोग they were delighted क्योंकि कैट क्या करेगी? Delighted means happy because
Yes,
cat
miss.
was
Mouser, and so he kept.
वो ट्रबल है. रैट्स का अभी ट्रबल नहीं रहेगा, है ना? ओके. माउजर मींस ऑल एनिमल दैट कैचेस माइस. ओके.
Yes, miss.
After some months, the ship arrived at a place on the African coast, Barbary, where people called the Moors lived. The captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale, and he was invited to the palace to show them. While he was talking to the king and queen, some dishes of food were brought in. But almost immediately, rats and mice ran up and before the captain's eyes, ate all the food. The captain was astonished.
यहाँ पे किंग के सामने प्रेजेंट करना है अफ्रीका में. तो किंग इज सेइंग कौन कौन सी चीज आ गई. व्हाट दे हैव सेंट. और तभी क्या हुआ? नाइस फूड आइटम्स आर देयर. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर.
Yes, miss.
All rats and mice came there, है ना? And they ate all the food. तो किंग कैसा हो गया? किंग, what happened to king?
Happy.
गुस्सा आएगा ना? इतना अच्छा खाना उन लोगों ने खाया. Next.
Up and before the captain's eyes, ate all the food. The captain was astonished and asked if this was what normally happened. Alas, yes, came the reply. The country is suffering from a plague of rats and mice, and we cannot get rid of them.
Okay. So captain was astonished. Astonished means परेशान हो गया पूरा कि ये क्या है, वो कंट्री में ऐसे ही होता है क्या? तो he said yes, वहां पे प्लेग ऑफ रैट्स, यानी रैट्स की वजह से हमको प्लेग जैसा बीमारी होता है. हमने उस दिन डिजीज पढ़ा ना, कोलेरा, वो सब पढ़ा था कि नहीं हेल्थ एंड डिजीज में?
यस मिस.
हाँ, तो हम लोग वी कैन नॉट गेट रीड ऑफ देम, हम लोग उनसे छूट भी नहीं सकते हैं.
Plague here means a thing that causes great trouble.
Great trouble,
I think
disease है. Okay, 1 minute में मीटिंग खत्म होगा, फिर से ज्वाइन करो यही लिंक पे. हाँ,
यस मिस.
चिल्ड्रन, is that clear?
यस मिस.
here means a thing that causes great trouble. I think I may have the answer on my ship, said the captain, and he sent a message asking for Dick's cat to be brought to the palace. More food was laid out, and the rats and mice appeared as before. The cat immediately pounced, killing at least a dozen before they scattered. Everyone was delighted, and the queen asked, "What do you call this animal?" Puss is the name.
Okay, तो अगेन ही सिंग, अभी वो कैट को लेकर आता है. अगेन ही सिंग, अरे सब खाना वापस से रखा है, वापस से कैट, वहां पर रैट्स आ गए, एंड नाउ ही हैज ब्रॉट कैट. तो क्वीन इज सीइंग द कैट फर्स्ट टाइम. हाँ, the cat has started eating rat. You can see in the page.
And the queen asked, "What do you call this animal?" Puss is the name she answers to, said the captain, and when the queen called, "Puss, Puss," the cat went over to her and purred. The queen was a little alarmed at first, as she had seen how fiercely the cat had attacked the rats and mice. But the captain told her not to be anxious. "Puss is very friendly with people," he said, "and would soon rid your kingdom of rats and mice."
So, what did you see? Who came to